Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix update KB not installing in Windows 10 problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Click on Start, click on Settings, click on Update and Security, click on Troubleshoot, click on Additional Troubleshoot, click on Windows Update, click on Run Troubleshoot. This will detect and fix some problems. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar, type PowerShell, right click Run as administrator, copy the command from description and paste it, click enter. This will take some time, wait till it is done. Method 3. Go to Windows search bar again, type PowerShell, right click Run as administrator, copy the command from description, paste it, click enter, wait till it's done. Method 4. Go to Windows search bar, type Notepad, copy the script from description, paste it there. In Notepad, click on Files, click on Save As, make the type to all files, rename it as fix.bat, save it on desktop. Now right click on that file, click on Run as administrator, click enter, click Y, restart system. Now go to settings, go to update, click on update. That's it. Thanks for watching.